Hey everyone, this is John Cobra Crosby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick one. I'm going to talk to you about how to start your fitness channel with just your cell phone. I got monetized for this channel about a year and a half ago. How I started my channel was basically just off of that phone, and when I knew I was going to have to I wanted to start a fitness channel, I made sure that I started filming everything that I was doing on a day-to-day basis. And not only was I filming it, I would batch film it. Like I would say, like, okay, today I'm going to do abs a beginner would do, or I would do advanced abs. I would do an advanced um, uh, workout of a certain work of an ab routine. Like it to be the beginner stage of the ab routine, the medium, and then the advanced stages. There's always different stages to different ab routines. And I feel myself doing pull-ups and different push-up variation, different plyo moves. I'm a specialist at jump roping, so I filmed that. I'm a boxing trainer, so I filmed a lot of that. So what I did was I batched film for like 6 or 7 months and have footage from I did this like leading up to the thing, but I also had a lot of footage because I had, of course, an Instagram channel and an Instagram page and a YouTube, Facebook page. So I already had a lot of footage, but this footage I know was specifically for a YouTube. So I had to film it at the landscape instead of portrait, because a lot of, when you was filming back then, it was a lot of a portrait stuff. So I started filming everything at the landscape thing. So when it was time for me to start my YouTube channel, I had countless amount of video footage to start my channel with. Now, all I had to do was come up with the formats, and all I had to do was come up with the titles and thumbnails for each video. Within a year, I had put out 100 videos. So I'm telling you, if you want to start a YouTube channel around fitness, start it now. If you want to do it around something that's going to be requiring you to show off your skills, start it now. Start filming everything little by little. It don't have to be long videos. It can be short videos with about 3 to 4 reps. You can also talk about what the benefits of the workout, or you could do routine workouts. Different things, film your what you like to eat for breakfast, your high protein snacks, what you eat going up into, like, if you're a bodybuilder, what you eat going along that journey. You a boxer or somewhere in the martial arts, MMA fighter, talk about your diet there. If you're just an athlete in anything, just you can talk about your diet. So many different ways you can go with the fitness thing. I'm really just getting started. I lost one of my videographers last year, so I was just posting. What I have been doing is posting the footage that I told you that I had in my archive. So I was able to take that and put them together, and then make some videos while I get everything together. Plus, I was moving, as you can see in my past video, but everything is back in order now. So moving forward, you will see a lot of different YouTube channels, YouTube videos that I've been wanting to put out. And all you really need is a tripod, which is going to be in the description below in my Amazon store. And you can also get one of those stabilizers that follow you. You know what I'm saying? So all you got to do is make sure you film in a place that music is not loud, because you're going to have to add some music so you won't get any copyright. So that'd be the struggle, because when you want to film in the gym, the music is kind of loud, so you can't really talk. So what you can do is film your intro outside and then show B-roll of you doing the workout. That's one way of doing it. Or wait until the music is low in the gym or area where you at, then you can record. So that's just what it is. I didn't want to make this video extra long, but I wanted to make it because I wanted to inspire you guys that want to make a fitness channel to get out of your head, because when I wanted to start my fitness channel, I didn't have none of this. You know, it was just telling me how to start a YouTube channel, but nobody told me how to start a fitness channel. So I pretty much had to learn everything on the go. But what you want to do is start filming your workouts now. Start writing down. What I did was I got in my notes and start writing down the different titles that I wanted for the videos, and then I recorded the workouts along with it. So yeah, make sure you start recording now. Get you a little tripod, get you going. If you have somebody that can help you, even better. If not, the tripod will do just fine. You can also get you like a DJI stabilizer, which I use, that actually follows you along the way too. So that's good. Yeah, the DJI stabilizer I used, and I used the Pocket. The Pocket is good too, because you know, you can just mark yourself on the camera, and it follows you. So that was awesome. So yeah, it doesn't take much. And if you have any questions, comment below, ask me. And I hope that you have a lot of great success. Another thing, if you want to learn how to make merch for your fitness, or for your fitness channel, or just period, go over to my other channel, which it will be in the description below. But it's I am John the Cobra Crosby, where I'm gonna be talking, take you through how I make my merch, where I buy certain things at, video vlogs of my day-to-day, of me getting ready for either fighting or bodybuilding, which I'm still undecided on which way I want to go. So yeah, I wish you the best. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I wish you well on your journey. Booyah.
I'm racing the clock, look at him flock, watching him flop. Used to see this in my sleep, when I ain't had shit but my thoughts in the car, I really was lost.